Hey beauties, today I'll show you 10 ways on how to incorporate a scarf into your hairstyle and look romantic and so beautiful. Let's get started. We'll begin with our first easy way. So we want to fold our scarf, select our front sections and bring them over your shoulders, and then you want to clip the rest in the back like I'm showing and tie this folded scarf underneath, creating a knot. Now you want to release this section. Grabbing a small section from the front and from the back, you want to tie it using a clear elastic, flip it to create a topsy tail. Pull it a bit to make it fuller and voluminous. These topsy tails will fix in place this scarf so it will stay in place all day long. Next, we want to select our crown section, tie it with a clear elastic, pull it a bit. And then, grabbing two sections from both sides of our parting, bring them in the back and tie it over our crown section. Twist it and bring your first crown section through the created loop. Tighten it. Now I'll use a small scarf for that. I'll fold it and bring it through the crown section like I'm showing. Now you want to tie it and create a bow like I'm showing. This is so romantic, guys. I just love this hairstyle so much. Next, we'll use a bigger or longer scarf. I'll fold it like I'm showing, and then you want to fix it using a clip like I'm showing. Grabbing one side, you want to simply twist it with your hair away from your face, like that, until reaching your ears level. From there you want to twist it without adding hair and fix it in the back, so make sure it will reach the back of your head. Repeat these steps on other side. You add hair and twist it with your scarf until reaching your ear level, and then you twist it until reaching the back section. Now grabbing these two twists, you want to crisscross them, adding another section of hair. You want to begin a simple 3-strand braid or a Dutch braid, and you want to continue braiding until reaching the ends of your hair. Tie it with a clear elastic. Then you want to wrap the ends around the elastic to hide it. Of course, that's optional. And you're basically done. Next, again, we want to use a long scarf. Fix it with a clip like I'm showing. Leave your bangs in the front if you have them, and then grabbing all your hair and this scarf as well, you want to tie it using an elastic. Last time, pull your hair halfway through like I'm showing. Divide your remaining hair from underneath into two, and you want to twist one of this section with the scarf around the bun and tuck her into the elastic underneath, and you want to repeat with a section left, like that. Here I'll suggest you to make a straight parting. Divide all your hair into two sections, use a long scarf, fix it with a clip in the front, and then grabbing one section you want to divide it into two, and we will use the scarf as a strand of hair by simply 3-strand braiding it. Okay, so easy. Now, when you reach the ends, you want to wrap your scarf around it and tie it with a clear elastic to secure it, like so. Then you want to repeat these steps on other side. You select your hair, divide it into two, and use the scarf as a strand of a 3-strand braid. Wrap the ends with a scarf and tie it with a clear elastic to secure it. Divide your hair into two sections. Select one of the sections in the back, leaving the bangs if you have them. And you want to tie it in the back using a clear elastic, make an opening and bring this ponytail into this opening. Pull it a bit, this created Topsy tail, and repeat with section left the same steps. Now you want to grab a scarf, bringing it underneath. You want to tie it. You can make a knot or a bow here, and you're done. For the next, you want to use a longer scarf again. Fix it with a clip. We want to use the scarf as a strand, so we want to make a 3-strand French braid until reaching our ear level. I like to leave my hair in front, but you can braid everything in the back. So when you reach your ear level, you want to simply 3-strand braid it until reaching the back of your head. So you just measure it like so. Clip it away for later and repeat on opposite side. Begin a French braid using the scarf as a strand until reaching your ear level. And then simply 3-strand braid it. Now you want to grab these two braids in the back and tie it with a clear elastic. I decided to make here a bow, but that's totally optional. You can tie it only, you can wrap the ends of your scarf around it. So you decide what look you are going to use for this braided half updo. For the next, we want to select our side front sections. Topsy tail it. Now you want to use a longer scarf. Then you want to select another section from underneath and bring it through your Topsy tail, and again from opposite side you select a section and bring it through your Topsy tail to create this romantic look. Now we'll use this scarf as a strand for our 3-strand braid. So you want to make a super simple 3-strand braid and tie it with a clear elastic, or you can use an elastic that matches your scarf color. This can be cute as well too. For the next, we want to select our hair into a middle ponytail. Make sure everything is nice and smooth. Use a brush. Tie it with a clear elastic. And last time, pull your hair halfway through, but leave the ends upwards like I'm showing. Pull it a bit. Now using a scarf, you want to bring it through created hair loop. And then you want to bring it down, crisscross it. Divide the hair from the front into 2 to these strands. Twisting them, you want to crisscross them up and then bring them down and knot it with this scarf. If you want and you need to secure it, you can use some bobby pins too, but for me it's okay like that. For the next one, we want to select our crown section, divide it into 2 and begin a row braid. So basically twist each strand one way and then you twist them around each other opposite way. Then you add more hair to these 2 strands from the sides, and again you want to twist them one way, both of them, and then you twist them around each other opposite way. So again we add hair to these 2 strands from the sides, you twist them one way and then you twist them around each other opposite way. So you basically continue this braid without adding hair. You twist them one way and then you twist them around each other opposite way. Guys, here if you find this hard, you can make 3-strand braid as well too. It will work just as well, but I decided to make it a little bit more different. When you reach the ends, make sure to tie it with a clear elastic. Then grabbing a long scarf, you want to fold it, bring it over your head, underneath the braid, crisscross them there underneath, and then bring it up, crisscross them over your braid, and again you want to crisscross them underneath your braid, and you want to continue these steps until reaching the ends of your braid. Then you want to wrap the ends around the elastic to hide it and tie it, and you're basically done. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this new romantic ways to incorporate the scarf into your hairstyle. If you like it, don't forget about thumbs up, subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles channel, tell me in comments down below which of these hairstyles is your favorite and what kind of videos you'd like to see more on Awesome Hairstyles channel. But that's it for today, and love you so much and see you soon in my next one. Bye.